Hi everybody, I'm Henry7 and today we will be folding an origami booklet. You can see there's also a lot of origamis in between in the back. You'll see we have this upside down. For you guys, it's vertical, it's facing you, but this is upside down for you. So first I'm gonna flip it. Any side is okay if you don't have the side paper. First, you're just gonna take the right side and fold it to the left. Make sure the corners are aligned. And then you're gonna crease. And then you're gonna unfold it. Then you're gonna take this corner and fold it to the middle. This origami, it does require some cutting. Okay, now we're gonna take the left one and do the same thing we did with the right. Now we're gonna open back up. Now we're gonna take this and just like hot dog fold it up. I'm gonna crease it. These are just creases, guide folds. Okay, now I think we're gonna flip it over. Now, the middle one we creased, we're gonna take here, and we're just gonna like fold it like this. And now, you might be not able to see the folds, but for me, it's these lines. So we're gonna use our scissors, and we're gonna keep cutting on this black line until we meet here, the line where it meets. It'll also happen on the other side, which is good. My crease is a little bit off the line, so I have to go there. Okay, after you got this shape, we're gonna turn it back here like this. Now, we're gonna take this half, fold it, and fold it down. Sorry I messed up, but now we're gonna take hold of these two here, and these two here, and now we're gonna squeeze them together like this. And now we're gonna take this right one and fold it to the right, and this left one and fold it to the left. So it should look like this. And now our final step is to take this one or this one and make sure this left one, you can just fold it like this. Or you could also fold it the other way like this, but the cover is here for me, so I have to fold it this way. Make sure to like and subscribe also. See you later.